We believe it's important to remember that the words we use to describe our business, words like innovation, technology, leadership, are more than just words, more than just ideas. These are principles that actually exist in the real world. Today, we'd like to take you to the heart of our company to see firsthand how we create value for our customers and how we engineer the products that move the world forward. The journey begins here, our rolling mill in Davenport, Iowa. Since its opening in 1948, Davenport has been an American institution and has stayed on the cutting edge of global manufacturing. As you look around, it's a challenge to comprehend the scale of this facility. 6.5 million square feet of floor space, essentially an 18-hole golf course under one roof. Davenport's largest mill measures an astonishing 220 inches wide, making it the widest in the world. And it enables us to produce aluminum products and materials that can't be manufactured anywhere else. This kind of unrivaled capability is what sets our $5.6 billion aerospace business apart from the competition. Here, Davenport produces the aluminum sheet and plate used to create major structural components of aircraft, from wing to fuselage. Davenport's unique length and width capabilities make it the leading provider of wing plates for the Airbus A380 and the Boeing 747, including Air Force One. A very thick plate stretcher is the newest addition to this expansive facility, enabling us to produce the largest high-strength monolithic wing ribs in the industry. The advanced technology means we can continue to serve our existing aluminum plate market while also attacking new share by driving aluminum penetration on carbon fiber platforms through wing ribs and other high-strength parts. And despite being one of the world's premier aerospace sheet producers, our plant in Davenport is also among the most versatile manufacturing facilities in existence. It's the singular producer of the massive aluminum plate circles used to form the dome sections of rockets carrying satellites and supplies into space. Davenport metal contributes to virtually every vehicle in America's space program. Davenport's range and capacity make it a flexible operation, able to respond to market tendencies and shifts in demand across manufacturing sectors around the globe. From industrial and automotive to aerospace and defense. If Davenport's massive size and scale are its differentiators, our breakthrough facility in San Antonio, Texas is valuable for precisely the opposite reason. The micro mill has literally revolutionized aluminum manufacturing with a compact, highly dynamic plant capable of delivering full coils from molten metal in just 150 feet of factory space. The high-tech alloys created here yield some of the highest performing aluminum in the world, 40% more formable and 30% stronger than incumbent alloys, and twice as formable and 30% lighter than high-strength steel with equivalent crash resistance. And we've hit these benchmarks without compromising on any of the strict standards of our auto industry partners. One such partner is Ford Motor Company. Ford is using our micro mill material in multiple components on its 2016 F-150, making it the first automaker to use the advanced automotive aluminum commercially. We are also collaborating with Ford on next-generation aluminum alloys for automotive parts using micro-mill technology. With micro-mill, we've developed a highly sophisticated, rapidly responsive process. In a typical rolling mill, it takes upward of 20 days to turn molten metal into finished coil. Here, we can do it in just 20 minutes. The patented micromill process dramatically changes the microstructure of the metal, allowing the production of a truly differentiated product with increased formability and strength. The micromill is able to adapt to new orders, new material mixes, and new specs at the push of a button. In short, this compact facility is big on performance, innovation, speed, and agility. We hope you've enjoyed the chance to see virtually that within our world, ideas like technology, innovation, and industry leadership are more than buzzwords to us. They're what we live and breathe every day. Everywhere we go to work, pushing forward to new possibilities and constantly creating greater value for the markets and customers we serve across the globe. From aerospace to automotive, this is what it looks like to move the world forward, literally.